In this video, I'm going to give you an update on the renovations of my facility at Live Your Way Thin. And also make sure you watch till the end of the video because I'm also going to give you some updates on some new services we're going to be offering at Live Your Way Thin. This is my office. We got all new carpet, new paint. This is my latest book, Fat No More, How to Lose Weight So It Stays Off for Life. It's available on Amazon and on Barnes & Noble, and actually an Apple book too. So here we're walking towards the aerobic room. Again, we're not a regular gym, so you never get a crowd. Everything's by appointments only. This is the latest, and I would consider the best air filtration system. So we keep the air in here fresh and clean. Here we have the first weight training room. Again, everything is one-on-one. So in here will be just you and the trainer. Now we're going to the other side. In here we do private yoga and kickboxing. And then back here we have another fully equipped room for one-on-one training. But the most exciting part is the changes that are coming up and the new services we'll be offering very soon. So here are some of the changes that are coming to the services we offer at Live Your Way Thin. Up until now, the only way you could learn a unique approach to proper nutrition was to come to our facility in Danbury. Soon, the nutritional program will be available online. You'll be able to pay online and do all the nutrition consultations online over Zoom. I'm also in the process of creating a subscription-based service that will make available to members videos of exercises, stretches, and other things that they can do on their own between personal training sessions that will help them achieve their fitness goals a little faster. Another service that I'm putting together is a hybrid program where people can do some training at our facility and the rest online. This way, they will be able to get the best of both worlds, the convenience of online and the effectiveness of hands-on coaching. Although we're currently offering online coaching, I will be making some major improvements to our current online coaching program that will make our coaching program even more effective. I will be making another video as soon as the new services are available. Thank you for watching. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button. It really helps with the algorithms so more people can find my videos. Thank you again for watching.